Hey guys, it's Dustin over here, man, and we want to talk about home inspections and what to look for whenever you're getting your home inspected and how daunting that report is. We know over here that whenever you receive a report, it's 42, 45, 50, 60, 100 pages long. It can be really scary and make you almost want to back out of a deal. All right, so first things up on a home inspection we all look at is the major functions of the property. I'm going to always suggest to you, look at it before you even get to that process. Does the roof look old? Does the hot water heater look like it's leaking? Does it look like there's water in the basement? Any of these things could be red flags before you even put in your offer. I know that you're really wanting to get into a property right now, but be patient. We want to find you the perfect home for the perfect price at the perfect time. So don't rush into things. All right, so let's work our way from the top down. Let's look at our roof first. If you're looking at a home and looking at the inspection, you probably want to look and see what the life of your roof is. Sometimes properties aren't insurable because there's not enough life on it for your insurance company to cover you. You might want to have that conversation before you even go under contract. But if you haven't, here's a couple things to look at. Is there any cupping or warping on any of the shingles? Are there any of them missing, ripped? Maybe you can see some of the asphalt is coming off the top of them. These are all things that you want to look at. And if for some reason you can look up there or look on the inspection report, what does the flashing look like around the chimney and any other places where water can come in? So if it's cracked or if it looks really gummed up, it might be something that you want to have addressed. Roofs are really expensive to have done, and you might want to go ahead and get that done beforehand so you're not having an insurance claim later on in life. We always suggest all of our people to have a full roof inspection, have your inspector climb up there or get their drone out and go that way. It saves you a lot of time and energy later on in life.